Is Aggie Hall from HIPAA Roofing, and today I'm here at the Palm Bay Home Show. It's the first ever home show for the Palm Bay Chamber, and HIPAA Roofing is very excited to be a part of this event today. So HIPAA Roofing is a staple roofing company here in Brevard County. We've been in business since 2004, and what we like to do at HIPAA Roofing is we like to educate our customers about the roofing process. Roofing is one of the top 3 items that you'll ever have to replace with your home: your roof, your AC, your water heater. So with that being said, we are very strong about educating the customers about picking the right roof. So what I wanted to touch on today is educate the consumers about making sure that you make an appointment and start with a healthy roof checkup. The home show today has lots of expo vendors here, but the roof is important because it's detrimental to the health of your home. So when you have a healthy roof checkup and someone like from HIPAA Roofing goes up there, does a roof inspection, we're able to come back down, give you an assessment of your roof, see what's going on, because the roof in essence is like a treading tire. Once you put any kind of product on, most likely shingles, they do start to wear out over a while. So with the educational process of showing you what's going on, you can then be rest assured that either the roof's in great shape, maybe there might be some repair needs, or if there's underlying storm damage that you didn't know of, we can educate you and help you with some options. Now, there's also some new changes in legislation with insurance policies, with also what's happening with the state of Florida insurability. A lot of homeowners are calling us upset because their insurance companies are leaving the state, or possibly they have to get a new roof, and they're not understanding why this is happening. Starting with a healthy roof checkup and having an appointment with us will not only make you feel comfortable, but moving forward, you'll be able to pick a better roof for you and your family. So with that being said, I wanted to take today's topic about roofing into a show and tell. So when you have an appointment with HIPAA Roofing, not only are we going to show you a progress about your roof, your photos, we actually do bring some sample materials. So the most popular item in Florida is shingles. Now, shingles, there's some caveats to it. Shingles almost are like a treading tire that gets put on. They're now being sold as a lifetime product, but with shingles, it all starts with who's putting the shingle on and what's putting on underneath. So when you have a shingle product, a shingle could last 30 years, it could last more, but it also could last maybe 15 years. So what's important is vetting your contractor and making sure whoever you pick puts a product on that will last as long as possible. But moving forward from shingles, the new and why HIPAA Roofing dominates with metal is metal actually has a better lifetime durability. So metal, the good thing about metal is not only is it hurricane tough, we also sell a first choice steel. So when we put a metal roof on for you, there's some great options. You could do a standing seam without any fasteners. We have also an exposed fastener. There's different looks, but whatever look that you pick, it's a look that will not only be safe for your home, but it's going to last a lifetime. And the other important factor about HIPAA Roofing is we're gonna be family for life. We're gonna come in for a yearly inspection. We're gonna make sure your roof's in great shape. This is the accountability of the homeowner calling us yearly to make sure that inspection is done. So every time we start a roofing appointment, we always start with saying we might or might not be family based on your goals, but most likely everyone goes with us because we are here to stay to make sure you are sold your last roof. Also, the good thing about metal is it is evolving to other products. There's other things like stone-coated steel that have a little bit more of a durability against hail. We've had some hailstorms recently. So what's important is understanding and also buying a metal product that will withstand in your type of environment. On beach side, we have to upgrade to aluminum because of the corrosive environment. So there's things like aluminum you can buy to not rust. On inland, we have Gabalum. All these things we just try to make as simple as possible. We don't want to overwhelm people, but at the same time, if someone has lots of questions, we love answering them. So we make ourselves very much available at HIPAA Roofing. I'm the marketer. If you haven't seen me on Facebook yet, I'm not doing my job. My name is Aggie, also known as the godmother of roofing, because I had my own bad experience being a homeowner No one taught me about roofing, no one taught me about the home buying experience, and I share that story and it touches people because what happened to me could happen to you. There are some great vendors here today that you need to see in real estate and home improvement, that if you understand how to improve and make little adjustments to your home, it will let that home last a lifetime. So what's important today also is educating customers on keeping business local. So if you do get an estimate from Hippo, maybe things might happen where you can't go with us. I strongly suggest go with any company locally in Brevard County. We do educate customers on be wary of contractors that are not licensed in Florida, storm chasers, people arbitrarily trying to make you file claims, all these bad things. So on their educational side, on our end, we do have wonderful marketing material that you can take home, read to make you feel comfortable. Also, I have my own pipeline from being part of the HBCA with the Palm Bay Chamber. If you're looking for other home improvement people to help you with your home, I would definitely like to recommend at least 2 people for that. So again, when it comes to your roofing experience, it is one of the last experiences we want you to buy because it is something special. It's going to keep your home safe. It's going to keep your home secure, but also it will make your roof look attractive. It's the biggest also caveat. We want to have our forever home. It's our American dream of having ownership. How proud are you to have a roof that just would stand the test of time but also look beautiful? So that's what we do at Hippo. We've been doing this since 2004, and now moving forward there's some great changes happening that we've adapted to because the Hippo difference is what is going to be the staple of what people will be following. I hope that helps. I hope today, if you are watching this, come on by. We're here until 3 p.m. If you missed today's expo, you're more than welcome to come to our beautiful showroom. We are located on US 1, 2774 North Harbor City Boulevard. Our website, beautiful website, www.hipporoof.com. You can go in there, see all types of roofing information, also tips on how you can even be a better shopper in roofing. We're available on Instagram. We're available on Facebook. We're also putting together a Snapchat and also a TikTok very soon, so that'll be fun. And we have a wonderful staff. Our owners, Bill and Wanda Stillwell, are phenomenal people. They are at the office every day with us. We are a family business and we are a family-oriented group of people, so you'll feel very comfortable working with us. So I hope that you can visit our showroom, take a look at some of the products, visit our website, and if you have any questions that I can help you with, our staff can help you with, please give us a call. So if you're here today, welcome to the home show, but otherwise, we'll see you soon.